Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here doing a color boost touch-up. That's right, it's touch-up time. My beautiful client is coming for her annual touch-up and her brows look amazing, but we're gonna have them snatched just in time for her vacation. Okay, so we're here doing our annual color boost touch-up. Now, this particular client, she comes in for her microblading touch-ups regularly. She is very faithful about it. As you can tell from the beginning, the intro, her brows look really amazing. They frame her face well. They just look incredible. But she's getting ready to go out on vacation. So she wanted to make sure she came in just in time so that way they were done and healed before she went out and enjoyed her vacation. And she wanted to make sure that her brows were perfect. They had healed, they were nice and fresh, and they just, popped. So that's why she came in, and that's what we definitely suggest, is to make sure that you're staying up to date with your touch-ups so that way you can have gorgeous brows that stand the test of time, so that way you can have wonderful vacations and wake up perfect, right? So this particular client, like I said, she's getting microblading, and microblading is the most natural technique of all of the permanent makeup techniques. And with that being said, it is also the technique that actually fades the fastest. So this is the one that you definitely need to come in for regular touch-ups, because depending on your skin type, your activity level, your cleansing routines, depending on all those things, microblading can fade faster and not last as long compared to the other techniques. However, it does look so beautiful and natural when it's all done and healed. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous, but it's not for every client. So really having that consultation ahead of time to really determine if you are a really good candidate for microblading is extremely important. So our client here, she's already numb. As you can see, she's laying there. She's incredibly comfortable. She is not flinching, which is what we want, right? We don't want her wincing and flinching and in pain because it hurts. We want our clients to be so comfortable, and we do a really good job of making sure our clients are super comfortable. As you can see, she's super relaxed. It's exactly what we want. So we're going to go ahead and do this color boost touch up. And if you have any questions about this technique or any questions in at all when it comes to permanent makeup, don't hesitate to drop a comment or ask your question down below, and I would love to be able to answer them for you. In the meantime, between time, I am going to sit back, turn the music up, and allow you guys to just enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever